Hi, I'm Dr. Swati from Radaxis and Cobra, and today we have with us Dr. Karthik Kupswamy, who is the director of GE MRI and also has a vast experience in molecular biology. Hi, sir.
Hi.
It's a great honor to have you here with us.
Thank you.
Sir, firstly, we would like to thank you for your immense support in the 65th IRIA Annual Conference. And sir, as a sponsor and industry partner, what are your feelings on the 65th IRIA Annual Conference?
I think IRIA, as first of all, I got to commend them for doing a marvelous job organizing this exceptional program. You know, with IRIA total members exceeding 10,000, it's really one of the becoming strongest radiology society in India. I'm also fortunate to see a lot of the thought leaders and key opinion leaders in India who have done wonderful work in the area of radiology, whether it's MRI or CT or molecular imaging division. And I'm very excited to be here and represent GE, and also excited to share with you some of the developments that we are doing from a GE perspective.
So please brief us with the new product flagships you are displaying in this conference.
Some of the exciting work that we are doing is, first, our theme is we are at work for a healthier India. I think when people come to work, they come in with a purpose in GE to make India a better place for our people to live. And that's a very remarkable thing, very profound theme that I can go relate to my family, my kids, and feel very proud about telling that. But from a technology standpoint, at the end of the day, you know, we are a technology, solutions, and a service provider. And our core theme around the world is health imagination, which is, you know, we want to reduce the cost and make MRI and all other technologies affordable in the market. We also want to improve the quality of healthcare that's being provided across India and South Asia, as well as if I look at providing access. You know, today there are some technologies that are only available in tier 1 cities, and provide reach to tier 2 and tier 3 towns, you know, in India. And that's kind of, you know, quality, access, and, you know, reducing the cost and really providing this for our patients. Some of the new technologies that we are introducing at IRIA especially is, from a MRI standpoint, we are introducing a 750W wide-bore 3 Tesla system. It is the only system that's designed with patient comfort in mind and really outperforms any other 3 Tesla systems in the market. From a CT standpoint, we have this high-definition CT technology that's actually used with gemstone spectral imaging for lesion characterization that could be used for a wide variety of applications, you know, in radiology. And then we have similar trend-setting products in the area of PET-CT, nuclear medicine, ultrasound, and X-ray. You know, X-ray specifically with the FlashPad digital detector technology, really revolutionizing, you know, the practice of healthcare here.
So what is your message to the radiologist fraternity?
First message to the radiology community is, you know, we put together technology. You provide outstanding, excellent patient care, and we want to continue to partner with you to deliver and improve patient outcomes, which really matters. You know, at the end of the day, what motivates us from a GE perspective is a patient lives longer, the patient treatments have been changed, and the quality of life of the patients and the people who are supporting those patients have improved significantly. That's the kind of technology that we are developing, and that's the kind of service that you are providing, and we would like to continue to partner with you to take healthcare to the next level, and that's why we are at work for a healthier India. More importantly, I would say that radiology is a very growing field, and we are very blessed and honored to work with exceptionally talented radiologists, world-renowned radiologists who are in India, and we are continuing to work to expand their leadership and their mark they're going to make in the radiology practice worldwide.
What is your message, advice, or inputs to Radaxis and Cobra?
Radaxis and Cobra is doing a very wonderful service, number one. You know, I've just learned that you're providing not only direct materials, but also online, online education where you're really forming a good social network of radiology community to come together, solve some of the tough cases, solve some of the tough problems that the radiology community at large faces. I would also request you to continue to expand your reach, not only to radiology, but also to referring physicians, like the gynecology community, for example, like the cardiology community, the surgery community. I really think in today's world, electronic media will play a very significant role, and you are really leading and championing this effort and in educating and disseminating the knowledge throughout India. And thanks, we really thank you for doing that and look forward to working with you and partnering with you in the future.